Hey everyone, happy Monday, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. What looks are offered by modern designers in the new season? We will tell you today in the Showdetails magazine review. This video contains trendy coats and jackets, warm suits and more. You will find out which color is the most popular this winter and what colors you can combine between each other. Let's talk about black suits and about the recent trend leather clothing. As always, there will be many interesting ideas for creative people. Some of them we will note and will certainly model on the channel. We start with white. I love it. I really like this white winter coat and a very beautiful leather color. Let's move on. Timeless fashion. Suits with shirts. You can wear it all year long. In winter you can wear it with warm tights and blouses. It looks simple but stylish. Look what the shirt looks like. Hands in pockets, and she is absolutely comfortable. Sometimes there's not enough freedom on trousers and shirts, and girls that wear them feel really uncomfortable. The most relevant colors of this season: very nice suit, skirt with pockets, with buttons, the raglan seam goes into the incision and creates freedom here. This is what we need to remember for sure. I would like to wear that. Write in the comments section, would you like to create for yourself a suit like this? Black kit and white shoes. Yellow suit and white shoes. Milk jacket and yellow trousers. Thanks to the combination of colors, the look looks interesting. Now look what a beautiful and unusual jacket. Great coat. Next, belts, belts and again belts. Stripe, white pants, rough shoes, very short pants, loose coat, everything is in style of 70s. I don't like the hat, but the coat is my favorite. Next, colored dresses with tights and roof shoes. Awesome coat. A huge collar that turned into a hood. White coat. I really like the shirts. Take a look. There are buttons. I fell in love with this page. There are feathers. If I come to work wearing feathers, it will be weird, but for young girls it's great. I'm very glad that I'm showing you all this today. Here's a denim skirt, black leatherette shirts, beautiful blouse with a bow, half coat. We look at the boots. Green, red or wine would be fine here. The main thing is not black. I'm tired of black shoes. I hope you too. I think it looks too simple. That's it for today. Please write in the comments section if you like some of the clothes that I showed you. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!